Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another glam session, this time with my friend Mitch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video. See you later! After priming her face and eyes, I went ahead and started with my base shadow. I used Urban Decay's Naked Cherry in the shade Feels. Her eyes are hooded, which means the eye makeup is going to get buried under her lids. So I created a depth of field on the bottom part of her lashes. This time I used the shade Privacy. After blending, I added more shadow focusing on the outer V, still with the shade Privacy to create a visual lid. Continue to blend out harsh lines. To brighten her eyes, using a wet brush, I added the shade Bang Bang on her middle lids and I used a setting spray to wet the flat brush. Bring the shade Privacy down to her lower lash line to define the eyes. Pop a highlighter on the inner corner to open her eyes. To minimize dark circles and enhance the eye makeup, I chose a concealer 2 times lighter than her skin tone. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral. Set and bake the concealer in place. I'm using Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. While the setting powder is baking, I went ahead and did her eyebrows. I mixed the products The Face Shop Brow Design in the shade Light Brown and Brow Made's Gray. Fan out the excess baked powder and make sure the concealed area of her face are all set. I decided to put the foundation after setting her face to maintain the highlight. I took my time to blend the foundation seamlessly. Next, contour. Choose a contour shade darker than her skin tone to naturally create depth on her face. Add the contour on the hollows of the cheek, temples, and jaw to create that killer jawline. Always contour the nose line. Now it's time for highlights. Highlight the tip of the nose, apples of the cheek, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. And now for my favorite part, lipstick. I'm using Lip Sense lip color in the shade Aussie Rose. I'm topping the first lip color with a lighter orange shade for that gradient effect. I'm using Lip Sense in the shade Coralista. Since she has hooded eyes, I made the liquid eyeliner wider to make her eyes bigger. I'm using the Face Shop liquid eyeline in dark brown. Just putting on some final touches to finish the look. Fix her falsies, balance her lip line, and make sure her overall look is flawless. It's time for blush. I'm using a light pink shade to match her warm Muse and Old Rose outfit. Finally, I'm putting on some mascara to merge her false lashes in real lashes. I'm using Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes. This is it. This is her finished look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you later.